Hey lovely people, Terry Chrisman here from fabuloushealth.net. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button underneath and click that little bell so that you get notified of every time I put a video up. And I usually put up one a week, so I'm not going to be spamming you with videos every single second. Today, I'm going to make what I consider to be the best laundry liquid on the planet. Now, I was buying this Thieves laundry liquid from Young Living and I liked it, but it's highly concentrated and I thought that it was a little bit expensive because, you know, it's really hard to use a little tiny weeny bit of laundry liquid. Anyway, so my friend Martha Creechy has shown me this video and I'm going to make it for you, and you can make this yourself, and it's really simple and so economical because for this 1 gallon container we're going to be using a 1/4 cup. Now this 1 gallon container is probably going to last me about 2 to 3 months, which means that this whole bottle will probably last me about 2 years. So that's very economical, 1 bottle of detergent for 2 years. So we're going to start off using washing soda. Now this is different to baking soda. It's highly caustic, which means that it is, what's the opposite of acidic? Alkaline. So you want to be careful about breathing it in. So we've got 1/2 cup of the washing soda, in it goes. And then first of all, we're going to dissolve it in some water. The first time I made this, I forgot to dissolve it and it just decided that it wanted to turn into little lumps. So the washing soda is great for getting out tons and tons of stains. And then we're going to use the Young Living Thieves washing liquid. Now this is completely non-toxic and very, very safe. So you could even get your kids to do the washing up, do the laundry. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of that. It's all made from plants, of course. I wouldn't use anything that wasn't made from plants. And we're going to use the Thieves Household Cleaner. So this Thieves Household Cleaner is really, really concentrated again. I make my regular Thieves Household Cleaner in this bottle, and I just use 1 cap of this cleaner, which is 7.5 ml. Just one tiny little cap goes in this bottle, fill it up with water, and then I just clean the entire house with it. So this bottle of Thieves Cleaner will probably last me about 6 to 8 months. And we're just going to use 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And then we're going to fill this up with water. So while that's filling, making noise, I'm going to tell you about what essential oils we're going to put in. I really like my laundry smelling fresh and citrusy, so I'm going to go with this one. It's called Citrus Fresh. And the other thing I like is not to have stinky socks and stinky gym gear. So I'm going to use this one. It's called Purification. So Purification has magnificent odor killing abilities. There's my water, ready to go. So any stinky socks, any gym clothes, any dog towels, anything like that are going to get eliminated using the Purification essential oil. So what I would do for 1 gallon, I'm going to use about 2.5 mils of essential oil. So I'm just going to drop about 20 or 30 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the end of that bottle. And about 20 or 30 of these. When I made it last time, I made it in a 2 gallon bottle, so it was really easy. I just took the lid off and just emptied the whole 5 mils in. But this one, I just a 1 gallon jar. There we go. And then we just give that a little bit of a swig. Now I got one of these little guys with a tap on it so that I understand you probably don't want to have glass jars you know, in your laundry. So I've got an empty Thieves laundry liquid container, and all I'm going to do is decant this into my Thieves laundry liquid container, as you can see. Then I can use this in my laundry. You're going to use one of these lids. This is a 1/4 cup, one of these lids for every load. And just before you use it, give it a shake. And that way you're going to make sure that all your ingredients are mixed up, and the laundry liquid is going to be absolutely fantastic. You can keep this in the cupboard and it doesn't have to be out on the shelf where the kids can knock it over. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about these Young Living products, please check me out on my website, fabuloushealth.net, or send me an email to terry@fabuloushealth.net. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.